Hello friends. So in this lecture we will learn about SciFinder, and in SciFinder we will learn a lot of here. So let's begin. We have some options that you can find substances or chemicals uh, and the reactions, references and supplies. In substances you see that the chemical or the substance that you have synthesized or it's being isolated is whether new or not. Reaction in reactions you can see that whether it is working as a reactant or product. So you can find the different reactants from a product and from different reactants from products. So vice versa. You can have a references, a lot of references you can find, and the suppliers, a number of suppliers will be found here in Chemdra. Oh, sorry, this is SciFinder of a chemical, and here you can search by name and you can search by functional group. You can also search any chemical by its case number, and if you would like to search the patent you can directly search by patent. So you can have also DOI number. Here you can find any structure giving by molecular formula, such we if we are C6H6 we have. So we can find by through that there will be a number of chemical structures by using this formula. So very first we have benzene, and this has same one and this is same. So there are number of the chemicals that are similar to this formula, and there are number of there are 2048k references, and there are number of reactions, and there are a lot of suppliers of this reaction structure. So we have suppliers. AK scientific product, this is these are the suppliers. These are the supply files. So okay, you can filter this one. You can filter by product. Reactants, there are number of products, 79 products, a reactant, and you can use as a reagent, add catalysis and a solvent. Benzene plays as a solvent. So you can filter by these behaviors. And we have commercially availability, 222 commercially and not availability, number of compounds, these are the number of compounds, and its molecular weight. This is ranges from okay, you can exclude these things by ranging the uh, molecular weight, and you can exclude or include by the stereochemistry. No stereochemistry if you need the stereochemistry or not stereochemistry, and you can include it by the elements such as we have carbon, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. So and you can functionality. So there are number of things you can filter them. So let's go to back here. So we can search a paper by writing their name. We have synthesis of, there are a lot of papers like this. These are the just their references, suppliers. So the okay, we have just references and suppliers of this DNA and this reagents. So let's go to back. We have some synthesis of pyridine derivatives. So let's check now. Okay, we have number of reactions. Okay, all. So okay, this is the reaction and this is a journal of paper. You can click directly CS Finder. So this is the paper you can download from here. Download detail, and you can have a reference of it. So if it is allowed, it will show you to bring you toward the that bring to that website or journals. So this is the thing. Let's move to other. Okay, we have number of papers here you can see, and the reagents, tertiary butyls, which reagents, and water, and the reagents, catalyst, solvents, and we have also case number of this pyridine and the research papers and the way that you can download by DOI. So this paper is here. Okay, you have reagents, and now you can also filter by substance role and the percentage of yield and number of steps and participating functional groups and reaction mapping and reaction scales been mentioned, whether it is milligram level, gram level, or kg level, and there is a it is filtered by experiment protocol, synthetic method, and experimental procedures. Now these things only depend upon you. How do you want to filter, whether you want to filter or not filter. So let's going back. We have another option of here. This is retrosynthesis analysis. So you can have a structure, you can draw here structure, or you can import from the other file. The file type imported should be a CXF or mol. So let's import a file. So we have option here to retrosynthesize. Let's check the retrosynthetic methods of this. Okay, so set rule supporting predictor. So it should be common, uncommon, or rare. Yes, it should be common. So the molecular weight should be less than this. Yes. Continue. Yes. Break bonds, protect bonds. Now it's depend upon us. So let's continue. What happens? Actually, from here we can synthesize this one. This only one is a retrosynthesized. There is a one step reaction. React the phenyl hydrazine, and this is reacted with different isothiocyanates, and this is the method. These are the steps. So let's back toward estimated yield and overall price. It will also show you the price used per 100 gram. So we can have also search option. So let's search something. Search concept chemical vocabulary. Okay. These are the some synthesis gas something like this. So synthesis start from synthesis, search concepts, synthesis of what, regio select. Now depend upon you add query. So add we have query search, let's search. So there are number of ways that you can search in camera is not just a simple method, it is a more complicated with simple methods. It will give you a lot of complex compounds, and even though with the simplest methods, reaction pathways, a number of substances we have, substances, all substance and reaction types we have, and the cited number of the citations who had done a knowledge about graph. So you can again filter by journal, by patent, by review, by bibliography, or other things. We have same by organization, by author, by publication name, by concept, by CS selection, CS concept. So anyway would like to filter, you can filter. It depends purely upon you, and there are total 58,190 search of this synthesize based. So you can draw also, have a structure, or import from the camera. So it depends purely upon you whether would like to import or draw. So we have option here of import. I would like to prefer to import without wasting time. So this was the molecular structure, and let's upload it. Okay, it shows you the molecular formula. It's a molecular formula, it's a molecular weight. Now it depends upon you that whether you like to make it a reactant or product. If reactant, put arrow before it. This sorry, put before it is, it will work as a product. If you would like to react, then you will have to put here. It will work as a reactant. So this is a reactant. If you like to search as a this molecule whether this is a new or known, then just write this structure and click here and search here. These are the reactions. How this, okay, this is these are the reactions and the all result from the structure. So substance as a working as a substance, let's check. This is okay. There are number of ways that this has been synthesized. There are references, reactions, and number of suppliers. Here different structure related to also available, and the case number, molecular weight, IUPAC name, and melting points, boiling point, density, pK value, and experimental properties. There are a lot of information is here. So thank you for watching my video. For more video, keep like, watch, and subscribe. Thank you.